All right, guys. JF's on the Moto 175, Gino's on the Honda 250 Sportrax. Take your bets now, which one's faster. I'm saying Moto, but I don't know. Let's see, here they come. Oh, yeah. Oh! Moto got him. Oh, we might have to run that Honda 250 against the old slow 225. I don't know. Try Moto, bud. Try Moto got her, but
holy jeez, yeah, she's faster.
Yeah. All right, next up, TRX 250. This is the question nobody's asking. Is a TRX 250 faster than a Yamaha? What the hell is this again? 225 DX, yeah.
Deluxe, buddy.
Yeah.
Deluxe.
Which one's faster? Drop a comment below there before you even watch it.
What do you think?
250.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Just by a bit.
Because I only had like 3 lengths on him. I had like 14 on you when we raced. Yeah.
So I bet you're just going to get it by 2-3 lengths, I think.
Yep. Let's see. Save it for the black top, boys. Okay. All right. Couple points awarded for style.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, TRX. Oh, geez, he's about 1 length ahead. Woo! Unbelievable. There you go. The question nobody asked. What is faster? A TRX 250 or a 225 DX? Well, the 225 DX is quicker. Oh yeah. Yo, what's with the trees, man? What's with the trees you're dragging, man? Underneath.
Oh, went into the rhubarb, bud. You know what we should do?
What's that?
It was so close. He should get on this one because he's heavier than me.
Yeah. Well, what are you saying, man?
Yeah. Close. Want to do it?
Yeah, do it. What are you saying, man?
You know what I'm saying. I'll go on you.
How the turntables. Looks like when Gino hops on the Moto, the Moto loses. Or whatever, 225 DX, you guys get it.
I think you should, you should take that.
These things are like, yeah.
I'm fat.
You're hard on equipment, man. Eh? You're hard on the equipment. Yeah.
Settle down,
So that was like exactly 2 lengths, just the opposite way now.
Weird, eh?
Yeah. So these things must be like dead nuts even.
Must be really close, yeah.
Unless me and you go.
Yeah.
Oh, now we're.
Okay, okay. Now we're getting down to a science. Yeah. Now it's science time.
Let's see if the Yamaha starts up there. If it doesn't start, that's a default right there. Wait, a little decompression. Oh, there we go.
You good?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. That's close. That's close. That was close.
Yeah.
All right, it's 3 weeks later. I'm putting this video together and I just realized that I didn't film an outro. So here's the outro for like a video from weeks ago. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe if you like this stuff. Let me know what you think about the trike content, whether you like it or not. I also have a ton of riding footage from this day. I don't normally put out just like straight riding videos, but let me know what you guys think. If you like just riding videos, I can put a bunch out. Normally when we go out and film these things, I always film a bit of the riding, but I never really put it out, just a sole video on the riding stuff. But let me know if you like that. I'll put a video up on the riding. Let me know what you think about this video. Any suggestions, things you guys want to see, let me know. Put it in the comments. Comments are great. Give this video a thumbs up, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Hey! Subscribe to the channel.